Hello everyone, welcome back to your science class, and in today's class again I will continue chapter 9, work and energy. Children, in your previous class we have learned about work and what the energy is. So in today's class we will discuss energy, its different forms. But before starting, just revise what energy is. So children, you have learned that energy is the capability or ability to do any kind of work, and we get energy from the different kinds of food. Today's topic is forms of energy. Energy is present in different forms. So let's learn what are the different forms of energy. Some of the forms of energy are mechanical energy, light energy, heat energy, electrical energy, and sound energy. Let's discuss about each form of energy in detail. Let's start with mechanical energy. Children, mechanical energy is the energy in an object due to its position or movement. Means this is the energy, it is present in each and every object due to its position or the object's move. For example, moving water or wind means the water which is flowing like in river and in dams, and the wind which is blowing, that have mechanical energy. And you know, these energy are used to rotate turbines and produce electricity. First one is showing moving water, as in dams the water is made to fall from a height and the turbine is placed, and as the water fall from height, it makes the turbines to rotate and that produce electricity. Same as it is showing windmills. When the winds blow fastly, then these windmills will start rotating, that makes turbine to rotate and electricity is produced. Two examples showing that energy is due to its position or the movement. That is why these are the examples of mechanical energy. Our next form of energy is light energy. You all know light helps us to see the things around us, and you know, on the earth major source of light is sunlight, and this sunlight is used by the plants to prepare their food. So means light energy is not important for us to see the things, even plants also require this energy. So on the earth, sun is the primary source of light, it is a natural source, okay, but we are having some artificial source of light which is man-made on the earth, like candle. When we burn candle, it gives us light. Electric bulb, when we switch on the bulb, it's produce light. Same as with CFS. Okay, so these are the sources of light. Next form of energy is heat energy. As the name told, heat energy gives us heat. It keeps us warm, and same as it also helps us to cook our food. We get heat energy from the sun. Okay, sun gives us light as well as it gives us heat also. And from the sun as well as by burning coal, petroleum and kerosene. When we burn these fuels, that also produce heats, and these heats are produced by the coal is used to rotate turbine and produce electricity. It means coal is burned in the factories to produce electricity. So sun is the source of heat energy. Matchsticks, when we burn, that also produce heat, and when we burn coals, that also produce heat. So these are the sources of heat energy. Next form of energy is electrical energy. You all know very well this. This is the major source of or most common form of energy which is useful nowadays. Most of our appliances like mobile, television, laptops, refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, these all household appliances work on electricity, and electricity is also a form of an energy. So how do we get this electrical energy? Yes, we get electrical energy from the cells, and generators or even batteries are used to produce this electrical energy. So this electrical energy is, as it is produced in power station through water, wind, by burning the coals, this electricity is produced, and from power station this electrical energy is supplied through the wires, and at the homes we use it for running many appliances. So electrical energy, the most common and useful form of energy nowadays. And the source of electrical energy are cells, batteries, These are the source of electrical energy. Now last category of energy is sound energy. As you have learned in your previous chapter that sound is a form of energy that is produced by vibration of an object. It means whenever an object vibrates, it produces some form of sound, and sound is also a form of energy. Sound energy are produced from musical instruments like tabla, guitar, harmonium. When we play this sound energy is produced. Same as with loudspeaker, with radio. So this picture is showing the sources of sound energy. So children, let's do one activity to find out that electricity is a form of energy and wind is a form of energy. So for this, you need a small table fan, a table, a few pieces of paper. So what you have to do, take a small fan, a table fan, and keep it on a table with the help of your parents. Now plug it into the socket and keep some pieces of paper on the table at some distance. Okay, you understood? Now switch on the fan. What will happen? You will find that as you switch on, the blade of fans will start moving and the pieces of paper get blown away. So what the conclusion will be? As we switch on, the electric current or electricity passes from the switchboard to the fan through the wires and makes the blade of fans to move, and the fan's blade will start moving. This shows that electricity is a form of energy. Okay, and second, as the blade of fan start rotating, the wind will be produced, and as the papers are light in weight, the paper will start flowing with the wind. So this is showing that wind is also a form of energy. So children, I think it is clear to you all that electricity is a form of energy and as well as wind is the form of energy. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.